run. Boy is running. Jump. Frog is jumping. Climb. He is climbing. Skip. Boy is skipping. Hop. Bunny is hopping. Wiggle. Worm is wiggling. Tumble. He is tumbling. Play. Kids are playing. Slide. Cat is sliding. Spin. Board is spinning. Swim. Boy is swimming. Crawl. Lizard is crawling. Laugh. Boy is laughing. Hug. They are hugging. Build. He is building. Explore. Boy is exploring. Opposite words for kids. Big. Small. New. Old. Full. Empty. Wet. Dry. Bright. Dark. Happy. Sad. Day. Night. Up. Down. Fast. Slow. Hot. Cold. Face expressions for kids. Happy. Sad. Angry. Surprised. Confused. Excited. Disappointed. Laughing. Crying. Serious.